Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to play local videos in MX Player in iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to play local videos in your MX Player app, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Apple Store or App Store, and here you have to go for search and search for MX Player. And you just have to make sure that you are using original MX Player and you're on the latest version of MX Player. Once I've installed MX Player from here, just simply tap on open and your MX Player will be open now. Here, if you want to get premium access, you can get, but I'm gonna skip this. And here, just wait for this loading. And after that, you'll get this type page. Now here you can see there are some section which is home, playlist, has the YouTube. You can also use YouTube here. And here's the settings app. So here's the settings of your MX Player. So now you just have to tap on this plus option here to import files, and here you'll get different ways. So here the very first way is using your files app. The second way is connect to computer. If you want to connect to with your iPhone to any computer, and you can easily import videos from there, or this option of sync with your computer. You can also sync videos from your computer. There's the option of other apps. You can also use different apps to add videos. So there's the option of add folder. You can also add folders, but I'm gonna select files app here, and it will open into my files app. Now you can easily select any of the video and audio from here which you want to play in MX Player. Let's say I'm gonna select, and once I have selected, just tap on the open option in the top right, and it will be added to your MX Player app. Here you'll get the videos, and here you'll get your music. So you just have to tap on anyone which you want to play, and it will started playing. So in this way you can easily play local videos in your MX Player and iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.